Okay, let's revisit our KCS folder and let's go into Documents. Real quickly, I'm just going to change my view, put it to List. Personally, I like this nice and clean. You just hit that drop down arrow and scroll through each one of your options until you find something you like. And if you don't want to use that scroll bar, you can just click on the icon itself and it will manually click through each one of those views for you. I want to get rid of this navigation pane, so I'm going to go to my layout and click on navigation pane. This should give it a nice clean look. And again, if you want to change your view, just click on that and you can see your files differently. Just to the right of it is a preview pane, and this is kind of cool because you can hover over each one of your files and get a preview of what's inside. Now I'm just going to grab this bar right here, it's in between, slide it over, and again just hover over each one of my files. This works for all kinds of files: text, Word docs, PDFs, and images. Not so much on the folders themselves though. Okay, it's time to do some spring cleaning here, and I need to organize these files into their designated folders. I'm just going to change my layout here, get rid of that navigation pane again. I'm going to flip through my view till I find something that's suitable for me. Okay, so I think I have a large icons here. I'm just going to scroll down, take a look at what I have. And with those large icons, that when you change the view, the images are much easier to see. Okay. So let me just expand this out, and I want to organize this a little bit better. So I right mouse click in the white area, hit sort by, and I'm going to go by type. And if I do that, it's going to go organize these files by file types. Images are on top, text docs are on the bottom. I can change it even more so by size of the file, but that didn't really help organize anything. It just looks like more of a mess now. Let's sort by name. It's the same. Didn't really help much, but I like to keep it organized by file type. Okay, so now I can work with images or work with documents or files. Alright, let's start moving files into folders. Now I'm just going to get my navigation pane back again so I can flip through my folders. And what I'm actually going to do is just open a folder, another duplicate folder, in a new window. Yeah, I just cruise down here, and these are my folders: documents, images, and here we go. I'm going to open in a new window. So it has opened the KCS6 images folder. That's what's on the right. On the left side is my KCS6 documents folder. So I want to move whatever images I have on the left side, the left window frame, which is my documents folder. Now I want to move them into the images folders. So dinosaurs can go into dinosaurs, flowers into flowers, and we could do this one file at a time, which can be somewhat tedious. If I left mouse click into the white area, I can actually drag and highlight these files, and I can do more than one at the same time, which is a bulk move. And I'll do it again with all these images. So I can just drag them over to the white area on the right side, and maybe it'll be a little easier to move these items into their designated folders. So I got cars in the cars, dinosaurs, dinosaurs, kitty cat and animals, fruit. I got more than one vehicle side by side, so I'm just going to grab those two at the same time. I got, 3 animals here. And grab all three. Okay, just swiftly move these files into the right folders. Okay, cars, good. Okay, grab three more. You got a fruit. Oh, nope, it's the other side. There you go. Fruit, flower, and dino. Okay. So now I'm going to refresh the page, minimize again. So I got both windows side by side. I got some leftovers over here. I'm just going to take care of these things real quick. What can we do? I'm just going to cheat a little bit and smash my window frame up. So all I have are the folders up on top, those images down there. Just grab more than one at the same time. Okay, just slide those over. And designated folder. Okay, great. Now I'm just going to put my window frame back to where it was. Cool. Okay, so let's try a more advanced approach to moving files. We're going to use the search function. And I'm going to make sure that I'm in the correct folder, which is documents. And I want to move these particular files into the right documents. So I open on the right hand side the couponing folder. Okay, change the way I see it. I'm going to go into the search bar on the left side, type in coupon. And you can see that I've got the results of the documents that have coupon written in them. And I just grabbed them using my search function, and I dragged them over to the right hand side into my couponing folder. So now they're in there. Great. Now as you can see, these are the documents that I have left. I'm just going to call them documents instead of files from now on. Okay, so now I'm going to type in health. My search results gave me all the health documents. I'm going to drag them over to the health folder. And I place them in there. Left side is empty, right side is full. Just what I wanted. So now I'm going to drop down into, I'm going to go back into documents, and this is what I have left. I know these are relationship related, so I'm going to type in relationship in my search bar on the left side, left window frame, relationship. These are the results that it gave me. I'm just going to drag, pick those up, bulk transfer into relationship, and there you have it. Changed in real time. I'm going to refresh, but I've now cleared out all of my text files. Everything should be organized now. Couponing, yep, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 docs, and I've got 5 in health and 5 in relationships.